Hi, Jen Sugermeyer, CEO and founder of Ada Cosmetics. And today I'm going to show you how to use the Jade Applicator, our signature product. The Jade Applicator came into play because there had to be a better way to apply any kind of liquid products to your face because fingers, sponges, brushes are soaking up all of your product. They're going to waste. They're breeding grounds for bacteria. Whether you put your fingers on your face or you're putting those gross brushes or sponges, there had to be a better way. So we've coupled the benefits of Jade with the daily routine. So I'm going to take you through my daily routine. I've already done my eyes, but I will take you through putting everything on my face that is liquid product. And I've switched to all liquid products since the Jade Applicator came into being. So I'm going to start with a serum. And I apply it right to the face. A little bit goes a long way. And what you'll find is that you will use much less product and you want to build. Okay. Next, I'm going to take a lotion. One of the benefits is you are no longer sticking your finger in a lotion. So you're not getting any of the bacteria in the lotion. You're also not getting your lotion under your nails. So what I will do with this, I will dab a little and I will apply it to my face. A little bit goes a long way. So again, this is about building up. I'm also very mindful of the direction that I use this product. I want to teach my skin to go up because gravity is pulling it down. I use this product on my skin twice a day. I use it to get ready in the morning. And I also use it to get ready for bed at night. Simple as that. What you'll find is that under the eyes, it's like a massage under the eye sockets. Sometimes I just sit here and do this because it just feels good and it's cool. You can put these in the refrigerator. You can put them in the freezer. I usually don't, but you can. There it is. All right. I'm going to apply two different kinds of foundation because I want you to see how well they blend. Okay. So I'm going to put one very liquidy product on my face. Okay. Not a lot. Why don't we put a lot? Because this doesn't soak up anything. So I take just a dab. This is kind of more of a clay product. This is more of a liquidy product. And I want you to see how well these blend. Okay. Once I have them blended, which was as quick as that, upward strokes. The Jade Applicator was designed to get around the eyes. You can see the feature that was designed specifically for your face to get around the eyes in those hard to reach places. You can get right up to the line of your eye. I'm going to use a blush. It just takes a dab. Remember, you are always building up with this product. Don't start with a ton of product and thinking that this is going to soak it up because it won't soak it up. You can see there's barely anything on the bottom of that. Contour stick. See, I'm able to feather. And if you have a little extra product, maybe use it on your jawline. And just like that, I'm done.